Hi there, it's Tris from RDD here. Something different today. I've been kindly donated a kids' playhouse, which has seen better days, and we need to evict some spiders and get rid of some snail trails. So I've got a lot of cleaning, different bits on the inside and the outside of all the different sections. Really going to bring it up hopefully nicely, and should make my little lad real happy tonight. Right, let's get on with it. Hi there, just to think that this thing could have been thrown into landfill or something, but I've managed to restore it. This will give you some idea of what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. As you can see, it's come up beautifully. Lad's going to be really happy with that. There you go, it almost looks like I bought a new one, but I guarantee you I didn't. So yeah, I'll wait for the end result.